Today I will be replacing the hood strut on this 2008 Nissan Armada. So the hood strut is supposed to keep the hood up, and as you can see, this hood strut is worn and it's not working properly, so we're going to replace it today with a brand new one. So the tools I'll be using today is the hood strut clamp tool and a flathead screwdriver. The part I'll be using today is a hood strut from Amazon. I'll be linking it in the description box. It is the hood lift support strut shock gas spring. It is part number 4182 BDFHYK. So when you take it out of the box, here's what's inside the box. Brand new hood struts. So what we need to do is to keep the hood open in order for us to work on the strut. So I have the strut clamp right here. I'm going to clamp it in place so that it holds the hood up so we can work on that side over there. So to remove the bottom of the strut, you need to pry this clip out of the way. And then you're going to lift up on the hood and then pull this strut up and out of the way. Same with the top, you're going to pry the clip out. And then you pull out to remove it. Putting back is the easy part. You just push it in and it snaps in place. Now for the bottom part, you might have to twist it clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the length of the strut. And then when you find the length of it, then you just push it back in. Now we remove the hood strut clamp, and then we're going to clamp it onto the other side so that it could support it. Now same thing as the other side, we're going to remove the clip, and then we're going to pull it out of the mounting. And we press it back in. So once the hood strut is replaced, you can close it and open it without any issue.